Capstone Assignment 1. A drought is a dry spell in a specific place. There are 3 different types of drought that can occur. According to the 4th National Climate Assessment, Volume 1, the 3 types of drought that can occur are meteorological drought, agricultural drought, and hydrological drought. The threat of all 3 of these different types of drought are significantly dangerous. The potential threat of water shortages can affect specific places in many ways, such as stunting the growth of agriculture, lowering water levels for a decrease in transportation, and causing wildfires. Today, a major drought exists in a small city in Australia, Murrurundi. Murrurundi is susceptible to drought because of its location and rainfall. It is in a subtropical region, which results in dry air and little rainfall. The El Niño weather pattern also impacts the forecasts and change in the environment. Murrurundi is one of many towns in Australia running out of drinking water. Fields and trees are dead. Climate change is a well-known issue among inhabitants of this small, dry Australian town. According to a CNN article, the drought affects farm life, such as cattle. It also affects people. In order to conserve water, one woman admits to bathing her 2 children together every week. Transportation is made more difficult, and water quality is also affected. Solutions to Murrurundi's drought may be gradual and not developed overnight. People can also try to limit their water use and minimize waste in their communities.